In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Canva design as a PDF. This is a straightforward process, ideal if you're looking to share your design or print it with top-notch quality. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to canva.com. Once you're on the home page, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen. There you'll find the login button. Click on it and enter your credentials. You can sign in using Google, Facebook, or simply with your email. It's convenient and easy, so choose the option that works best for you. After logging in, you'll be greeted by your Canva dashboard. Here, you have access to all your previous projects. Go ahead and select the project you plan to work on. Perhaps there's an existing one that needs a few tweaks, or maybe you're starting from scratch. Once you have your project open, take a moment to review your design. This could be the perfect time to upload any additional files or make some edits to enhance your overall presentation. Canva offers a range of tools for editing, so feel free to get creative if necessary. Now that you're satisfied with your design, it's time to move towards saving it as a PDF. Look towards the upper right corner of the Canva interface. You'll see the share button. Go ahead and click it. This will reveal a drop down menu, and in this menu you want to find and click on download. This is where you'll decide the format you want for your design file. In the file type section, click on the box and you will be presented with various options. From this list, select PDF. Canva has two PDF options, PDF Standard and PDF Print. The PDF Standard is great for digital use like emails or online viewing, while PDF Print is more suited for printing purposes. It retains high quality, perfect if you're planning to produce physical copies of your design. Choose the one that best fits your needs. Finally, with your desired file type selected, click Download. Your image will now be saved as a PDF file. Depending on the size of your design and your internet speed, this might take a few moments, so be patient. And that's it. You've successfully saved your Canva design as a PDF. This is a great way to preserve the quality of your work while making it easy to share and print. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital design tools. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.